Okay, so today we're going to clean this nasty, stinky, ugly, nasty, foul-looking fish tank and save the lives of all these fish in here. And we will see you when it's done.
Okay, so the first thing I like to do is scrub all the algae off the glass, which causes any loose debris to fall and rest on the bottom. I'll give it a few minutes in real time for the stirred up debris to settle. Then I'm going to start scooping out some of the gravel since we're replacing it with Stoney River Premium Aquarium sand. Once the gravel's out, I'll begin siphoning the water to prep the major water change. Unfortunately, I don't have a pump for this, so I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way, gas tank style. These fish like the temperature to be around 72 to 74 degrees, and right now we're sitting at about 73.9. So I'll run the faucet and adjust the water to match. Normally I would change out about 20 to 30% of the water, but this tank really needed a deep clean, so today I'm going to take out about 70%. Once the tank is all the way filled up, I'll slowly start adding the sand. Make sure to skim any floating sand off the surface using a small fish net. Once we got that all done, I'm going to add my fake hollowed out log for my Placo to hide in, plus an under gravel bubble aerator to keep the water oxygen rich. I also picked up some fake tropical plants, not just to give the fish some color, but also to help hide the aerator tube in the background. Next, plug everything in, turn everything on, and look at the beauty you created. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Everyday finds, cool projects, and real life as a hardworking, faith-driven, loving father and husband.